experiment, we are going to study the process of electroplating. The material required is a glass vessel, two copper plates of size around 10 centimeters by 4 centimeters, distilled water, some copper sulfate crystals, a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid, a battery, and some connecting wires. Let's see how the experiment is going to be performed. Set up the apparatus as shown in this figure. So in the glass container that you have taken, prepare a solution of copper sulfate by dissolving some copper sulfate crystals in distilled water and also add a few drops of acid to it to make it a conductor. Then immerse the copper plates in that solution and with the help of connecting wires, fix a battery so that current can flow through the circuit. Care has to be taken that the copper plates should be absolutely clean. For this purpose, you can clean them with the help of a sandpaper before setting them up in the circuit. Then switch on the current in the circuit and allow the current to flow for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will observe that a fresh layer of copper has been deposited on the plate which was connected to the negative end of the battery. That means this small line represents the negative end of the battery, and this copper plate will have a fresh layer of copper deposited on it. This is known as electroplating, and electroplating always involves the dissolution of the metal at the anode. Anode is the rod or the plate which is attached to the positive end of the battery. So we see that the anode slowly dissolves and the pure metal is deposited at the cathode, which is the negative terminal of the cell. So this is how electroplating can be performed in the lab as well.